the question that we've been asked is, how do you do inter-matter trust transfer? Okay, so it's basically money going from one matter to another. There's no bank transaction here at all. Okay, it's just money going between one matter. And when would you do that? Like for example, if there's a matter for Rogers, and if you click on action and you would do inter-matter trust transfer, it's the last option here. It'll immediately tell you that you cannot do it for this client because you need minimum 2 matters for a client to do that. So let me choose a matter that has a client who has 2 matters, and I'm going to try and do an inter-matter trust transfer. So in this case, I'm going to go to this LATB matter. Let me hit the question mark here, and I see that the trust has about $576.25, and I have this new matter called the real estate matter, and that has nothing. And let's now try an inter-matter trust transfer. Now before doing that, I want to go to accounts and go to my cash account. So I want to go to assets and cash, and I want to make sure that I set up a brand new account called inter-matter account. So to do that, you can say action, asset, cash, and you can create it from here. Hit the save button. I've already done this, so I'm not going to create one, but if you go to asset, cash, you should see that inter-matter account there. That's very important. Once you have that, go to the matter. Now first go to the source matter from where you want to transfer, which is basically the Gonzalez matter. So as again, I'm going to hit the question mark to confirm that I have $576.25 that I want to transfer. So I can say action, inter-matter trust transfer, and let me, even if I type $700 or $7,000, it will immediately change it to the max amount, because that's the only max that you can actually take from here. It automatically puts the description, puts the date, don't do anything, just change this to inter-matter account. So because I've created it, it allows me to change that. Click on the payment button. The minute you click on the payment button, it will save it, and it will pop you a brand new matter. Now it will freeze everything, but here is where the distribution is very important. You need to take this and put it into the right matter. You took it from the Gonzalez and you put it into the real estate. Make sure you do that step. Sometimes the software may auto do it, sometimes it may not do it. Make sure that that step is done. So real estate is where I want it, and I'm assigning every amount there. Do that and then hit the apply button. Okay, when you do that, now you've transferred the amount from the Gonzalez matter to real estate. Let's check. I'm going to hit the question mark. And when I hit the question mark, now I see the trust is completely fully withdrawn. There's no money left on this account. But when I go to the real estate matter, the $576.25 just made it, right? It just made it into the deposit. You can actually go into the trust and you will see a deposit where it tells you an inter-matter trust transfer. Again, action, inter-matter trust transfer, and just follow the procedure. The most important thing is you need to have minimum of 2 matters for the client, otherwise it will not allow you. Now there's also a law society report that will tell you that you've done it. So I'm just going to do here, if you're going to other, there's something called inter-matter trust transfer report. I'm just going to do it for today, right? And I should see that $576 transfer. I should see that in the report. It should tell me that here you go, from Gonzalez matter for LATB, I moved it to the real estate matter. It will generate you that report. So to summarize, go to the matter, the source matter, and from there you can click on the action and hit the inter-matter trust transfer. Make sure that you deposit it into the cash account. And when you actually do the transfer, go to the bottom. Make sure that you're allocating the money properly and allocating it in full so that it goes to the right matter.